Ngavana wa kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Jr niwatha maseneta kana niuendeeye kuthesya uungamii wa inandu mwanya kaundini ya Makueni no kana kuikiithya ilovia sya mwenenthi nisyasuviika. Ainena mbee wa nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya mivango na mitumile ya ilovia maunduni ma maendeleo kana CPAC. Mutula ni waweta uungamii na utheu wa imwesya inandu ona ina kivindu kingi ivindani ya utongwi muvitu kindu kila uendeeye kuvindua kavola kwa kavola. Benjamin Mwaka nilivota Uthukumi kaundini ya Ilovia.
I am Mutula Kilonzo Jr. do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give.
Ngavana Mutula Kilonzo Jr na ule vikitembo nzama ya CPAC kusungia makulyo yulwa mitumile ilovia inandu ni tatu. Kinandu cha mpasari mbeza siya mpanga yani emergency fund ni ilovia si mwana siya tetheka fund siya kukilia makundi no wale siya maseneta undu wanyo wa basari vindani ya kampeni mwakani wa 2024 undu ilovia hii siya endeeye kuanywa. Ginona muthenya umwe mbe wonyuvani munene kutwaiwa maseneta maiweta vaileitha mitlatala ya vata yatiyetwe kimeo kuikiithya wanya wina withianu.
So there's an issue of supporting evidence, and the way you support evidence is very simple. In accounting, it's a very simple. It's 1 + 1. You do your monthly reconciliation, and you do your cash balances in terms of the bank, and you indicate these have not been presented. And you're able to submit them, indicating clearly each check. That issue is not being addressed here.
And members, through the chair, we have attached the list of the students who we had awarded bursaries, and the bank indicates when those checks were clearing in the subsequent days. So we actually have also attached, chair, with the permission, schools where they were going, and they have acknowledged later in the year.
Senator Ledama, if you look at the state bank statement January to December, you see how it was running continuously. These checks were being presented continuously. Even the day before election, it continued.
Ati okuma alikuwa ofisini Gavana Junior no weta oyu maundu ni maseo mavoma alame utetheka na kinanduki me mutandaoni na wanasieki itanenganitwe kila mwanigwa ni witha esivala uungamile.
For this financial year we have it here. We have the record so that then you don't get double. It's actually not even double. Somebody gets from the MP, then they get from the county, then they get from the women rep. So we now display the list of names of the candidates so that then within 7 days we can get a response from the public of the people who are most deserving.
Ingi livoti ya mwiki wa masavu nione chundu vindani ya corona. Kampuni hakuna icha kiwa wote uniki na mamilioni mambesa kumakina nduni chama unduma kukutana na mbanga kuikiithya vainamo waki umusienwa wote na maidhi ulukoni mawo.
Probably that pump was still there. Probably it was never broken. I'm just trying to make us think around that, so that this money is sent to this the water company
who procured the gen whatever it is here, gen set pump. Are they the same officers who did the second one? Is it the same people, or is it a different?
I changed them.
Okay.
And I changed them because Senator Professor, we had no visual of what they were doing financially. After we came to office, we have now set these companies into a proper framework. So I'm able to know how they are functioning. These water companies were phantoms. CC Finance, seated next to me, presents reports, quarterly reports on those companies. And I've mentioned to you on this iPad, I can see how they are spending money. It's here. How they are collecting money. I can check every day. And where somebody has not reported finance, I am able to alert the CC Finance that I can see a problem. What is the problem with this company?
There must be an establishment whether money was lost through that or not, whether there is law or no law. There was a reality. The main thing the auditor should establish is whether money was stolen or not. If money was stolen, then the people who participated, then they should face the full force of the law.
Ngavana Mutula Kilonzo Jr la kaunti ya Makueni dhina muvango mailu wa Kwailya kinanduki mwana cha makundi yani cha tetheka fund kukilia misi na kwaka ukwati wayo.
How much does it cost me as a resident of Makueni to be able to borrow this money?
The whole idea is good, but is it not discriminative in a way that if you don't get to a certain threshold, then you will never benefit?
A presentation done by the presidential team on the borrowing done on the Hustler Fund alone in Makueni convinces me that if properly applied here on the Teleka Fund, because we have seed money, it is possible to lend people money in Makueni, that with proper management like in the digital platforms that we have adopted, it is actually possible to graduate people from poverty by giving them a certain amount of money to use, to refund, and borrow again.
Vilingi wa mavuku mbungeni ya Senate Ilovia nye nita wa Benjamin Mwakam.